Hey everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you some starter templates that you can use for your website design. So the starter templates I will discuss about responsive starter templates by Cyberchimps. So Cyberchimps is best known for its popular WordPress product like the responsive theme, their Gutenberg blocks library, and amazing responsive starter templates plugin. They have a massive collection of starter templates that you can use for creating any website like LMS, blog, and any others. You will get their website link in our description box. You can download the responsive starter templates plugin from WordPress.org, or I will also provide that link to our description box. Also, you can download the responsive starter templates directly from your dashboard. So let's get started. So here is my WordPress dashboard. Now I will install responsive starter template plugin from my dashboard. So visit plugins and then add new and search for responsive starter templates plugin. And here you can see our plugin is here. Now click on install now. Then activate. So now responsive starter templates has successfully installed on our website. They have a YouTube tutorial here, they have help center, video guides here, and also they have a community support option. They have a pro version also, you can go for their pro version. And now if we click on responsive templates option, here we can see all of the templates they have. They have free templates and paid templates as well. So before activating the responsive template, we will add the LifterLMS plugin to our website. Now it's time for the best LMS plugin, LifterLMS plugin. So we have to visit our dashboard. Then we have to visit plugins, add new. So in the search box, we have to type for LifterLMS. So we can install LifterLMS core plugin. So here is the LifterLMS free plugin. We have to click on install now, then activate. So here is LifterLMS setup wizard. We have to click on get started now button. Here is our default pages and important pages. We have to click on save and continue. So we have to select our country and currency, and we can enable the offline payments option. Now save and continue. Now we can click on allow. So here is our demo tutorial or documentation. Here we have some quick starter course. You can import this, but I want to show you start from scratch. So I'm clicking on that button. So here is the course page. We can create our course from here, but I'll show it you later. First, I have to install the LifterLMS bundle to activate more advanced features of LifterLMS. So if you visit lifterlms.com/pricing, you can see that we have 3 bundles. For this tutorial, I have used the Infinity bundle, and this bundle is the most advanced bundle of LifterLMS. So I already have purchased this Infinity bundle. Now I will add my license key to my dashboard. So now if we visit LifterLMS add-ons and more, here we can see that we have option my license key. We have to paste our license key here. So after adding the license key, we can see that now we are able to access all the advanced feature of LifterLMS. Now we will activate the responsive starter templates for our website design. Now we have to click on responsive templates option. So as I will use the free one, so I'm selecting free option here so that I can use the free templates for my website, and I'm looking for I think I will use this yoga instructor one. So I'm clicking on preview. So here is the final look of the templates. So they have 2 options, that is import templates and import sites. So I'm clicking on import template, and here we have the home page, about page, contact, and blog page. So I only read the home page. So I'm clicking on import, then import template. So it will take some time for importing on your website. So now click on view template. So here is the final look of the yoga instructor templates. Now we have to do 2 things here, that our page is saved as draft. Now we have to publish this page. For that we have to visit dashboard. Then we have to visit pages and then all pages. Here we can see that our home page is saved as draft. Now click on edit to publish this page. Now click on publish and publish. And the second thing is we have to add our page as a static page. For that we have to visit settings, then ready. Now we have to select the static page as a home page. Now save changes. Now if we visit our site, see, now everything is perfect. So now it's time for our first course. For that we have to visit courses, then add course. So it will redirect us on the course page. So we can add our course title here. Then we can add our course short description. Now we will create an access plan. For that we have to click on add new. We can add our plan title. So I'm typing lifetime. And we can add our plan SKU. We can add enroll text button. We can select the visibility, so my course is visible and also free. Also we have access expiration option. We have lifetime access, then expires after, meaning that when your course will expire after 1 year or 2 years. Also we can select the expire, so we can select specific date. So I'm selecting the lifetime access. Now click on save. If we visit course tab, here we can add our course category, we can add our course tags here, and also we can add the difficulties level. So I'm typing beginner, just click on enter. Then we can add our featured image here. So I'm selecting our image, open, then set featured image. Now click on publish, then publish. Now if I view my course, click on view course. See, here is my course. So if we click on course catalog option, we can see our featured image and author name. Also if I again visit my course, here is my button, and I don't have any lesson, quiz or anything here, so I will show you it now. Now we have to click on this edit course option, and here we can see that we have an option that is launch course builder. We have to click on this. This will help you to add lesson, quizzes and any other things. So here is our course title. Here we have section. We can rename the section. So I'm typing lesson 1. Here we can add a new lesson. So I'm typing 20 minutes yoga. So in this lesson you can add quiz, assignments, videos, content. So for that we have to click on this edit setting option. Here we can see that we can add a video. So I'm enabling a YouTube video here, and we also have audio option. I'm enabling the published option. Now if we visit our course, we can see that here is our lesson 1 and our 20 minutes yoga lesson. So if I click on this lesson, see, here is my YouTube video. Also I have a mark complete button. So now I will add another lesson to my course. So I already added a lesson and I renamed it as quiz 1. I will add quiz in this lesson. So here we can see that we have a tab that is quiz. We have to click on this tab. Now click on create new quiz. Now we can add our question here. So click on add question. Here we have basic question that is available on our free version. We have multiple choice, picture choice and true or false. Also we have advanced questions. This included on our Infinity bundle, and also we have a single add-ons that is called LifterLMS advanced quizzes. So you can go for our single add-ons or Infinity bundle. So I already purchased the Infinity bundle. So I have to install this add-on from my dashboard. For that we have to visit our dashboard. So now we have to visit LifterLMS, then add-ons and more. So here is the LifterLMS advanced quizzes add-on. You have to click on install, then apply, then activate and again apply. So now this add-on is installed on my website. Now if I refresh it and if I visit the add question option again, see, now the advanced questions is available. Here we have fill in the blanks, file upload, scale, code, short answer and so on option here. So for this lesson I will add the basic one. So I will add multiple choice. So I'm typing my question here. So question will be what is this? We can add an image. I will add an image here. So I'm selecting my quiz image here. So I'm selecting this image. Use this image. So we can add description, also a video here, and now I'm adding my answer. So a yoga mat or a yoga hat. So one thing, that green means the correct answer. So if your correct answer is B, select B. If your correct answer is A, select A. So my correct answer is A, so I'm selecting A. You have a multiple correct choice option, result clarifications option. You can add points here, so I'm increasing the points. If you visit general settings, you can see that we have a passing percentage. We can increase or decrease this percentage. We have limit attempts option. We can increase or decrease this. We have time limit option. We can limit the time here. You can increase or decrease the time. So I'm decreasing it. I'm selecting 1. Here we have show correct answer option, randomize option order. So now I'm adding another lesson that will be quiz 2. So I will add a new quiz to this lesson. So click on edit settings option. So now I'm adding a new quiz here. So click on quiz tab. Now click on create new quiz. So now it's time for adding a question. So I will add the fill in the blanks from advanced question. You can add other questions here. So my questions will be, do you practice dash? So use 3 or more underscore for the dash, and you can actually enable the correct answer from here. You can write your correct answer here. So my correct answer is yoga. And now save changes. So now if I revisit my course and refresh it, see, I have a quiz 1 and quiz 2. So I'm showing you the actual look here. So click on take quiz. You can add another information here also. Now click on start quiz. So here is my first quiz question. What is this? So it's a yoga mat. Now click on complete quiz. So now you can see the result here. So here is my result. You can see I got a notification that I have passed a quiz, completed a lesson. So following the same process, you can add your assignments and other questions and so many advanced options we have on our LifterLMS. So you can try as you want. So now I will add memberships to my website. So visit memberships, then add membership. So here we can add a membership title. It's kind of similar to our course. So I'm typing 14 days yoga challenge. We can add our membership short description here. So I'm adding some short description. Now we can add access plan here. So I'm clicking on add new. Here we can add our plan title. So I'm typing lifetime. Also we can add our plan SKU here. Then our enroll text. So I'm typing buy. You can select the visibility, and my membership is not free, so I'm adding the price, and frequency will be every, and plan period will be month. That means every month. For all time, plan length I'm selecting for all time. You can select any other. We have a lots of option here. Also we have excess expiration, so I'm selecting expires on. That means this course will expires on maybe April 21. Yeah, this course will be expires on April 21, and I don't have any trial offer, and my product is not on sale. Also you can add a description here. Now click on save me, and now I will add a new access plan here. That will be the free one. So I'm adding free plan SKU, then enroll text. In this enroll text, you can use free join or something like that you want. So this access plan will be free. Then save. And also we have an option that is auto enrollment. That means you can add a course here. You can see that we have an option that is add course. We can select a course here. So I'm selecting power yoga course here. I already have only one course. That means when someone will buy these memberships, they will auto enroll in this power yoga course. So now save. Then we can add featured image for our memberships. So I'm adding a featured image that relevant to my membership. Then set featured image. Then publish. Now if I view my membership, see, here is my membership. I have 2 access plan. One is paid, one is free. So we have created our courses and memberships. Now I will show you that how you can modify this template as per your requirements. So click on edit with Elementor option. It will redirect you to the Elementor page where you can edit your templates. So here it is. So now we can change this text, we can add section, we can remove section. So I'm adding a section here. So I will add a shortcode in this section. So I'm searching for a shortcode widget. So here is it. So I will just drag and drop this shortcode here, and I will paste a shortcode. This is a LifterLMS shortcode. You will get all this shortcode on our documentation. So I have added this shortcode. I have just modified this shortcode, that I modified the category name. So I have added the popular here. So that means I want to show my popular courses in this section. Now click on apply. You can see that we don't have anything here because we don't have any popular category yet. So first we have to create the popular category. For that, visit your dashboard, then courses, then categories. Now we have to create your popular category here. So I'm typing the similar name. Now click on add new category. And now we have to visit our courses, and we have to click on quick edit on our course and just select the popular category and then update. So select quick edit, then select your categories and update. Do the same process for all of your popular courses you want to show on that section. Now if we revisit the Elementor, see, here is our popular courses. Now we can change everything here as per your requirements, and don't forget to click on update. You can change this text, images as you want. And now if we revisit our website and refresh it, here is our popular courses category. So I have 3 popular courses, that's why it's showing 3, and I have selected 3. And now we'll show you that how you can modify this menu as well. So visit your dashboard, then appearance, then menus. So first we have to create our menu here because we don't have any menu here yet. So I'm typing main menu, then click on create menu. Now we have to add these pages to our menu. For that, click on view all, select your home page, course catalog, dashboard and membership catalog, then add to menu. And also we have a LifterLMS menu option here. So I will add the sign in and sign out from the LifterLMS. Then click on add to menu. And we also can rename this menu. So I'm typing courses. Also I want to rename the membership one. So I'm typing memberships. So also we can rearrange this, as I want the membership first, then I want dashboard. Also we have to select the display location. So I'm selecting primary menu, then save menu. Now if we revisit our website, visit site, here is our menu, home, courses, memberships. So here is the final look of our templates. Here is our popular products. You can customize these templates as you want. You can add more information here. Here we have our courses. You can add more courses here, unlimited courses here. You can add our advanced features in your website. In this short video, it is not possible to describe all the features we have. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.